Hi, so as some of you might know, I have made a few little DaVinci Resolve presets and templates. Stuff like this, and this, and this, and these. You get the point. And to install all of these on your system, I had a README with all of these downloads linking to a specific file path where you could drop that folder so it would show up in DaVinci Resolve. And I was just made aware of a way to install all these presets and templates that is much easier. So I'm gonna share that with you all today in this very quick video. Big thanks to the DaVinci Resolve How channel. They popped up in one of my comments and said, hey, did you know this existed? And I said, no, that's fantastic. Thank you. Let me show you the best way I have found to install new presets and templates in DaVinci Resolve. I have here this folder with a mystery preset. Ooh. And I want to get this into the title section of my effects library here. And all I need to do is hop over to the Fusion page by clicking this little button down here. Then I'm going to open the effects library and tab down this right here to edit templates. This shows all the effects that we have access to on the edit page. And now all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this titles window here, get my template and drag it right into this window, let go. It will refresh this viewer. And if I go back to edit templates, titles, scroll down, you will see mystery. And we can go right back to the edit page, titles, come down to mystery. I can drag that right on my timeline and you'll see, ta-da! Our preset loaded into Resolve. It will be there anytime you need it, drag and drop. It's pretty amazing. And this even works with groups of presets as well. Here I have just 4 test presets. I'm gonna drag them right into titles. It will refresh that viewer. If I come down to titles, we have all of those tests, 1, 2, 3, 4 in there, dragged once, it's done. And that is all there is to it. I'm gonna be putting a link to this video in all of the readmes for all of the presets I have made previously, and I'll be recommending this video back to everyone who asks about installing because this is very simple. I am very happy this is in Resolve. You do need to go to the Fusion page for this functionality. You don't need to mess with anything on the Fusion page. You just need to open up the effects library. I'm hoping they bring this functionality to the edit page soon, along with some other effects library stuff, like you can see folders and some other things. But this all works as is. It's super fast, and I'm very excited to tell you all about it. And if you want to try this out, why not head over to my Buy Me a Coffee page where you can see all of the free presets I have made so far. You can see them all in that place, all of them linked back to videos talking about them. I really like a lot of them, and presets and templates is still something I am just barely scratching the surface stuff in Resolve. So if you want to know where we go, what exciting thing we think of next, please consider subscribing. Thanks. I'll see you next time.